which are all the chapters which were over for the first term? That we have to list first. First 6 chapters, sir, or first 8 chapters?
Yes, sir.
First, yes, sir.
Rational numbers, linear equation in one variable, understanding quadrilateral.
Rational
8
numbers,
chapters were over, sir, in first term.
Linear equation, one variable.
linear equation in one variable,
Understanding quadrilaterals.
understanding quadrilaterals,
Practical
Practical
geometry.
geometry, data
So
and
what will happen if you do whole book as
Yes, sir.
syllabus? Sir?
Practical geometry, sir.
See, the thing is, I need
Data
to
handling,
take
sir.
30% from the first term syllabus. From this, I have to take 30% syllabus. So I am listing out.
Sir, is there any restriction so that you have to take only 30%?
Yes, sir, there is a restriction, sir. I have to follow the CBSE circular, which says that whatever the syllabus for second term plus 30% of the syllabus of first term, which are containing important topics.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Practical geometry, this is the fourth one.
Data handling, sir.
Comparing quantities.
Data
Data
handling, sir. Data handling. Next,
Data
Data
handling, sir.
handling,
square and a square are
square
roots,
and
sir.
square roots, cube and
Square
cube
and
root.
square root.
quantities,
Cube and cube root.
Square and a square root, sir. Cube and cube roots.
square and square roots,
Cube and cube
cube
roots.
roots. Only
Algebraic
these were
expressions
there.
and identities.
That was there in the second term or first term?
First term, sir.
First term, sir.
Term, sir.
First term, sir.
Comparing
term, sir.
quantity also, sir.
Sorry. Sir,
Identities.
already written. Yes, sir.
The factorization.
Yes, sir.
Factorization.
Factorization.
Second term, sir, it is.
These were
Factorization.
chapters taught in first term, sir.
What are the chapters which are done after the exam? 11th one.
Mensuration,
Mensuration, sir.
Visualizing
exponents of
solid
powers,
shapes.
And powers. Yes, sir. Exponents and
Visualizing solid shapes.
exponents and
Exponents
powers,
and powers.
direct
Playing
and
with
inverse
And inverse
proportions,
proportions.
Direct and
playing with numbers, sir.
introduction to
numbers.
graphs, playing with numbers,
Playing with numbers.
Introduction to graphs.
Yes, sir. Introduction to graphs. Direct and inverse proportions.
One more, sir.
yes, sir.
Direct and inverse. So only 6 were there in the second term. Actually,
Yes, sir.
if you look at the chapter wise, this factorization is there somewhere here.
Yes, sir. In second.
So this will be there for the second term. Along with this, there should be factorization.
Yes, sir. Factorization.
Factorization. Then I have removed this. Algebraic identities shall I consider in the second term?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but it will come under factorization only, no, sir. You can choose something else
No,
which
sir,
is
it is
important.
different chapter. Consider, sir.
Yes, sir.
Multiplication
Yes,
and
sir.
division both of
Different,
algebra will come under factorization.
Both
only.
are interrelated, but it is there in a different
different, sir.
chapter.
Different concept is there.
So out of these 8 chapters, 30% of the syllabus I need to consider.
Data handling, sir.
Hmm?
Comparing quantities, sir.
Yes, sir. Comparing quantities and data handling.
No, sir.
So
Practical
around
geometry
sir.
and
chapters I need to
linear
take.
equation.
Linear equation.
Linear equation in
Yes,
one
sir. Linear
variable, sir.
equation.
Linear equation.
Linear equation and data
practical
handling.
One
geometry.
variable.
Data
Quadrilateral
handling.
also.
And comparing
Quadrilateral.
quantities.
Quadrilateral.
Practical
Data
geometry.
handling.
Practical geometry. Practical geometry.
Yes,
Practical geometry.
See, your term 2 examination will be like a term 1 examination. It is completely MCQ, right?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Writing portion also is there, sir.
40 marks.
40
Sir, we are
marks.
still not informed about the exam, sir.
But in the
Sir.
term
Sir,
one
you
examination, did you had any written type examination other than MCQ? It
No,
was
sir.
No, sir.
MCQ, I think.
No,
no,
sir.
sir, did
There
not.
is
It was of 40
MCQ.
marks and all questions were of MCQ
MCQ.
type.
Yes,
This
sir,
is for
all
term one.
questions are in-
So
83%
term two also will be
examination.
of the same format, yeah. So MCQ. So in the MCQ question, what type of question should I ask in linear equation, understanding
Sir,
practical geometry? This I can ask some questions, but these
Yeah.
two,
Sir, in quadrilaterals you can
Then
ask
data
angles.
handling, sir.
Angle you can.
Data
Yes,
handling,
sir,
sir.
data
data
handling,
handling
sir.
you can ask.
the
Data
data
handling.
handling,
numbers.
since this chapter is there in class 9th, 10th also, I'll consider this
Yes,
as
sir.
one of the important thing. So here
Sir,
I'll consider
comparing quantities.
No,
comparing
no.
Yes,
quantity
sir.
is a very huge chapter. Should I
Yes, sir.
consider?
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Please
sir.
Square
No,
consider.
sir.
root, sir.
No,
Square
Sir,
and
it is
sir.
square
very
root.
important chapter of class 8, sir. It will not, then will not be accessed on it, sir.
This chapter comparing quantities will never be repeated in any of the classes. It's there only in class 8. Afterwards, you don't
Not
have
necessary, sir.
any
Sir,
other
please
chapter.
don't consider, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
I will
don't
not
need.
consider.
Sir,
Sir,
don't
then
want.
our
Thanks, sir.
class 8 comparing
Thank you.
quantities, it will like,
Square and
it
square
not
roots, sir. Square and square roots.
Sir, now how
Human.
Yes,
many
sir,
chapters you have to
accompanying
choose from
quantity.
this 8, sir?
From this 8, either I have to take 2 chapters or
3
3
chapters,
chapters.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Square and
Then
square
take
root, sir.
2 chapters, sir.
Sir,
Three
but
chapters,
in
sir.
science, sir, MU Knight sir sent in
Understanding
that
quadrilaterals.
syllabus that there is MCQs and true or false diagrams, short type essay and type questions, sir.
Sir, it is description, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
choose
Okay,
It will
sir.
quadrilateral.
be like a term 1 examination as far as I think this is term
Sir,
1
but
we had
CBSE
40
can go.
questions of MCQ type. So term 2 will be 40 marks which are MCQ type only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same.
Cube roots, sir. Anyone?
Any one among this you can tell.
Square, sir.
2 are
Square
Square.
there,
roots.
sir. Linear
Square
equation
root,
and
sir.
data
Cube
handling
root,
are
sir.
there.
Square
Cube
and
root.
square root.
Cube root. Cube root, sir.
Square root,
Take
sir.
anyone, sir.
Square
Square
roots,
root.
sir.
Cube root,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Square root. Yes, sir.
Cube root.
Square and square roots. So
Totally
these are
9
the
chapters.
chapters completely mensuration, visualizing solid shape, exponents and
11
powers,
chapters.
playing with the numbers, introduction to graph, direct and inverse proportion, factorization, algebraic identities, squares and square roots.
Linear equation, one variable.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters.
11, sir. 11.
How 11 yaar? 8 no?
Sir,
Sir,
other
two
some
more from left side,
linear
sir.
equation is
Sir, 9
one
chapters,
variable.
sir.
1,
Sir,
2,
Linear
3,
data
equation
4,
is
and
5,
linear
6,
equation, sir.
7,
one
8, 9,
variable.
9 chapters.
Data handling.
9 chapters, sir.
11,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Linear equation and data
Sir,
handling
linear
also.
equation and
Linear
data handling.
equation and data handling.
Oh, I missed this linear
Yes,
equation,
sir.
10th chapter.
Linear equation also.
Data handling, 11th chapter.
Data handling, sir. 11 chapters.
So these 11 chapters are more than sufficient for your term 2. Out of this, these are very easy type of chapter. Okay, these 2 chapters are very easy. This visualizing solid shape is also very easy. 3 chapters are very easy. So it is
Yes,
like
sir.
only studying and preparing for 9 important topics. That's it.
Yes.
I think this won't be
Then
difficult
remove
for
those
you.
3 chapters.
No, I should not remove here. That 30% I need to consider. So it is considered here. Term 2 all chapters must be there. It is as per the
Sir,
circular.
sir, you choose term 1 full syllabus and 30% of term 2. Then it will be good, no, sir.
I cannot revert
Sir,
back
we can
the
see.
thing that if you want I can show you the circular.
30% and 70% is.
30% and 70%.
Yes, 100%.
He's telling the term 2 syllabus should be 70%.
Now I'll share you one thing. You can just see that. That's a circular part. You look at this. This is from the CBSE circulars. We have to follow this. Term 1 examination is 100 marks. Term 2 examination is 100 marks. In that, periodic assessment is 20 marks. 80 marks is for annual examination. So 40 marks will be for term 2, and this will be doubled. The marks will be doubled. Here you can see periodic test. This part is periodic assessment part. You need not worry about. Look at this yearly exam. For class 8, 30% of first term covering important or significant topics and entire syllabus of second term. So I have to follow this criteria, right? Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Ah.
we will abide
Sir,
by
it is
this.
given 30%, but you have taken 5 chapters out of 10 chapters.
No, actually, I
50%
considered two of the chapters for second term, right?
term to examination, sir. Yes, sir.
Where is that?
Yes, sir. You have taken 5 chapters.
Sir, in maths, all chapters are important, sir. Simply leaving all will not give any knowledge, sir.
It's okay, yaar. This comparing quantities, first term you have learned it. Actually, this topic you are not going to read it again. In 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, it is not there.
Yes, sir. It
Basic
is
concepts you
not
have learned.
important. Sir.
So, not to waste time on this topic, uh, data handling, linear equation, these are interrelated. Linear equation in one variable you will learn in class 8. In class 9 there is two variables. In class 10th you have different methods to solve the equation. So this is important topic.
Yes, sir.
Data handling is
Polynomials.
an important topic. This I have
Yes,
just
sir.
considered
Polynomial,
it.
binomial.
It is fine. These 11 chapters are good enough here.
Yes,
So
sir.
we shall continue with this revision part of exponents. This is last of MCQ questions. The value of minus 1 by 5 to the power 3 divided by minus 1 by 5 to the power 8 is. So when you simplify, we get it as
Option
minus
B,
5
sir.
minus 1 by 5 to the power minus 5. So this has
Yes,
to be
sir. Option B.
reciprocal. So we get it as minus 5 to the power
Minus 5 to the power 5.
5.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Option B, sir.
option B is correct. Moving on to second question. This inside ones first we need to simplify. This becomes 3q minus 2q divided by
27 minus 8.
4q. 27 minus 8 divided by 64. This will be 19 by
19 by
Yes, sir.
64.
64, sir.
19 by
Yes,
64
sir.
is option A. Question number 3.
1 by 3 to the
Option
power 8,
A.
Straight
sir.
away you have to multiply these two. It is a to the power of m to the power n. It is a to the power
Option D,
of
sir.
n. So option D, 1 by 3 to the power 8. That's right. In the fourth question, we need to reciprocal this. This
Minus
becomes
2 by 3,
2
sir.
by minus 3,
Yes, sir.
which
Minus
is
2 by
minus
Option
2
B.
by 3. Option B is correct. Further, question number 5. 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. 9
4,
minus
4,
4 is
sir.
5.
5.
To be multiplied with,
5
we'll
into
reciprocal this. This becomes 3 cube by 2 cube.
27 by
40 by
So
27.
27 into 5. It is 135 divided by
27.
8.
8, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option
Option
B
B, sir.
is correct.
B.
Yeah, this type of question is another important question. Here, a to the power of m plus n should be used. M plus n will become minus 3. This should be equated to
Yes, sir.
2x minus 1. So x value is minus
E option.
3 plus 1 divided by 2. So minus 1 is the answer. Option A. Isn't it? This minus 1, when you transpose it, it becomes plus 1. So we have minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2, upon 2 will be minus 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question number 7. Here you have to observe that 25 is pi square. 125 is pi cube. Since this is divided in the law of exponent, it becomes 5 to the power 2x plus 1 minus 2. This will be equal to 5 cube. So we'll compare the powers now. This will be 2x. 1 minus 2 is minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 3. So
Answer
x
is
value
2,
we
sir.
get it as positive 2.
8,
2 is the answer.
19.
Which one? 19? Which one is 19?
No, sir. They asked the value of x. 2 is correct answer.
19 by 64.
2 is correct. This one is very easy. This
Yes,
will be
sir.
like 1 by
Reciprocal.
3 added to 1 by 4. Then we have to reciprocal this. Then divided by 1 by 5.
1 by 3 to the power 8. Option D.
LCM is what? 12. 12 is the LCM. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So when we reciprocal that, it will become 12 upon 7 into 5.
12 by 35, sir. Option number D.
60 by
Into
7.
5,
60
no?
by
2 by
7.
minus 3 to the
It
power 1.
becomes 60 by 7, sir.
Sir, it is 1 by 5, sir.
Yes, option
It
B.
becomes 60 by 7,
Upon
isn't
is
it?
minus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 60 by 7.
So they have not given
Yes,
any
sir.
answer over here. So none
3
of these
by 7.
answers are correct.
Reciprocal.
60 by 7 is correct.
None of these, sir. Option
That's
C.
not there now. Oh, Ganesh, what happened? Mummy is calling for breakfast.
This becomes angry.
Mummy is angry. Look at this question. Plus 10 they have given, but where this is used? It is not used
Sir,
anywhere
2
here.
into 5. Your right it is 2 into 5, sir. So you can get
Actually,
2,
2 into 5
2 to the
cannot
power
Yes,
be.
sir.
3x
2
plus
into 5.
minus 1 plus 1, sir.
Suppose if I write this as 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 plus 2 into 5, if I consider divided by 7, this is equal to 6. If I take it like this, cross multiply, this becomes 42.
Yes, sir.
2 to the power 3x minus 1, which can be, can we take 2 common here?
Yes, sir. Common.
Cannot take, no?
Sir, you can take 2 as
We
common,
can't
sir.
take, sir.
No, sir, we cannot.
Sir, we can take 2 as common,
2
sir,
to the power
because
1
here
Then
minus
this
it will
becomes
become 2
minus
to the
2.
power 3x minus 2. Yes.
Minus 2 it becomes.
2 to the power 1 and minus 1. 2x.
Did you understand what he is telling?
Sir, we can
So
split
I
2 to
will
the
tell
power
it like
3.
this. For this term, if I multiply and divide by 2, the value doesn't change. Now you have 2. 2 can be taken common. 2 to the power of 3x minus 1, it's there here. Here 2 to the power of 1 is there. Since it is there in the denominator, here 1 will be added up. So it becomes minus 2 plus 5, which is equal to 42. So 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 plus 5 is, we have to divide this. It will become 21. So 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 is equal to 21 minus 5, which is 17. No, 16.
16, sir.
Yes,
16.
sir.
16.
Sir,
So
sir,
16
when
is
you
nothing
took,
but 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power
sir,
of
when you took
3x
2
minus,
common,
sir,
X is equals to 2.
I have
Sir.
taken 2 common here.
yes, sir. When
Then
you're
5
multiplying
become
2 on
10
top,
also.
no, sir, we have to add power 1 to this also, no, sir. So it will become
No,
3x minus
this
1.
is in the denominator, right? I have just
Yes,
multiplied and divided in the first term. In this only I have done. Here I need not change
yes,
anything here. So 3x
yes.
minus 2 is equal to 4. 3x will be equal to 6. X will be equal to 2. X is 2. So answer is correct. What's there? 2 is the answer. Some of you
Oh,
must have not understood this.
Sir,
Yes,
explain
sir.
once again.
Atal, once
I'll
again, sir.
explain once again.
Yes, once
Second,
okay.
once
again.
again, sir.
Again.
It is a bit tricky one. So let me explain it again. Here 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 plus 10 is written as 2 times of 5, which is equal to, since this denominator there is 7, I'll do cross multiplication and we get it as 7 6 times 42. Is there
42.
any doubt in this?
No, sir.
There is no doubt. Now I
No,
will
sir.
just divide by 2 on both sides. If I divide by 2 on both the side, this becomes 2 to the power of 3x minus 1
Why you said
divided by 2
otherwise?
plus uh, 2 into
2
5 divided by 2, which is equal to 42 divided by 2. Is there
divided
any
by
doubt in
2.
this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
There is
Sir,
no
no,
doubt.
sir.
Sir.
No,
Okay.
No,
sir.
sir.
Now you observe this 2 get cancels. This will be 21. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now we shall make use of a to the power of m by a to the power of n, which is a to the power of m minus n. We shall make use of that. This is 2 to the power of 1. When we use this law of exponent here, we will be getting 2 to the power of 3x minus 1.
1
There is again minus 1, so it becomes
Yes, -2.
minus 2
plus 2.
-2, sir.
Minus 2.
plus 5, which is equal to 21. Any doubt in this? This is very important step.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
No doubt.
No
No
doubt,
doubt,
sir.
sir.
Now we shall transpose this positive 5 to the right
Plus
hand side. 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 will be equal to
21 minus 5.
16. 16.
4 square.
4 square. Those 4 square, that is nothing but 2 raised to the power 4. So 2 to the power of 3x minus 2 is equal to the power 4. This implies that 3x minus 2 is equal to 4.
Plus 2 is equal to
X we will get it as 6 by 3, which is 2. So the
Minus
answer
2.
is 2. Not minus 2,
Yes,
positive
sir.
2.
+2. +2, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Plus 2.
Understood?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubt now?
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, very good.
One more day, sir, to do this question.
Sir, one more?
One more way, sir.
One more B.
He's telling that one more way for this.
Question, sir. To solve this question,
You
he's
have
telling that
another way.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you tell. Yes.
2 power 3x minus 1 plus
2 to the power of
2 into
3x
5,
minus 1 plus 2
2
into
into
5.
5 is equal to 42. Is equal to 42.
This step is same. Okay, next.
Again 2 power 3x minus 1
Correct, sir. 2 to the power of 3x minus 1 is equal to transpose this. We
plus
get it as
plus
32.
yes sir 32.
32. 32
This
is
is 2 to the
32
power
is
5.
2 to the power of
Or
5.
5.
So 3x minus 1 is equal to 5.
Yes,
So
sir. 3
3x
is
will be
equal to
equal
5 plus
to
1.
6.
6.
X will be equal to
5
2.
2.
Easy.
6 by 3.
So this method is very easy compared to the previous one.
yes, sir. It is easy, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very
So
easy, sir.
you can follow this. Very easy. Since your friend gave idea that this is 2 into 5 and 2 can be taken common, I followed that method. This method is more easier than the previous method. Good one. Let's see the question number 10. Bases are same here. So powers can be equated.
Option
Minus
number
4
D, sir.
minus 4
Plus 3.
should be added to 3x.
3.
That should be equated to 5. So I think answer is 3.
Yes, sir. Option D.
Minus 4
Yes,
plus
Yes,
sir.
sir.
3x is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
5.
3x
When we
equal to 9.
transpose
X
this
equal to 5.
negative 4 to the right side, it becomes 9.
Yes.
X will be 3.
Plus 4.
X value is 3. Simple. In the next one, it is like minus 2 by 5 to the power 7 minus 5.
Option
First
D,
is
4 by
2.
25, sir.
This will become positive 2. So 2 square is 4 by 25. Option D. Very good, sir. Next one, we need to simplify by making it as a reciprocal and squaring that. This becomes 4 added to 9 by 4 added
Plus
to
16 by 9.
16 by 9. So when we take the LCM over here, 36 is the LCM. If 36 is the LCM, we need to multiply 36 with 4. What is 4
Sir, in
into
144.
11th
36?
question, sir. Sir, in 11th question,
Yeah.
25 by 4 also can be an answer, sir.
How?
Sir, now we got minus 2 by 5 whole square, sir. Now I will, oh, let me see.
The meaning of this is minus 2 by 5, you need to multiply twice. So
Yes,
minus
sir.
2 into minus 2 is positive 4. 5 5 is a 25.
Yes, sir.
It is not reciprocal. So coming to
Okay.
this question, LCM is 36. 36 to be multiplied to 4.
144.
144 plus 4 is multiplied to 9 to get 36. So
81.
9 times are 81. So
64.
the 16 to be multiplied with 4. So 64.
64.
We get it as 289.
Sir, option A, sir. Option number A.
89.
289 divided by 36.
36. Option A is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. These were MCQ type of question. Now we have hard questions, higher order thinking skill questions. Here we have to make use of law of exponents to simplify this. This 25, we need to write it as 5 square
5 square.
into x to the power minus 4 divided by 5 to the power minus 3
3.
into 2 into 5. We can write it as 2 into 5. The 10 is 2 into 5. Now we shall simplify.
So 5 to the power minus 3 should go
This
up
is
and 5 to
minus
the power.
3.
Yes,
Here
sir.
it is
Very simple.
plus 1, no?
The answer is 5 to the
2
power 4 into
plus 3 minus
x
1
to the power 12 divided by 2.
into x to the power of minus 4 plus 8. When we use the law of exponents, a to the power of m by a to the power of m, it is a to the power of m
Sir,
minus
it
1.
should be minus 4 minus 8.
This is minus 4. Minus of minus 8 is plus 8, right?
Yes, sir. 5 to the
Yes,
power
sir.
4 into x to the power 4 divided by 2, sir.
Now this is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So 5 to the power of
Correct.
5 minus 1 is
4
4 into
4
x to the power of
into
4 divided by
4
2.
divided by
divided by
2.
2.
This can not be further simplified. It is 25 times 625. So 625 by 2 x to the power 4. This is the answer. Final answer.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yeah, yes, understood.
Sir, shall we solve, sir?
Yeah. Solve it. Tell the final answer. Let's see.
Okay, sir. Sir, answer is 5, sir.
So answer 5. Let's see if there is any other answer other than 5. Vijay Simha, answer. Lakshmi, trying.
Sir, I got the answer is 5 to the power 5.
Okay, one more answer. 5 to the power 5. Yes. Sujit, any other answer? Varun, Virendra, Tarun, Samarth,
Sir,
yes, Uday.
sir 5 to the power 5, sir. Answer.
So one more 5 to the power of 5. Naman, answer. Ganesh Anna,
5 to the power 5.
5 to the power 5, sir. Answer. My answer.
Uday says 5 to the power of 5. Any other
Sir,
answers?
I put 5 to the power minus 5, sir.
Now Abhinav has changed the answer to 5 to the power minus 5. Okay. Let's
Sorry, sir.
quickly
I did
solve this.
mistake, sir.
Let's quickly solve this as 3 to the power of minus 5. This can be written
Yes, sir.
as 2 times of
2 to
5
the
to
power
the
minus
power
5.
5 minus 5 into
5 to the
5
power
cube
3, sir. 5 to the power 3.
divided by 5 to the
5
power
to the power
minus
minus
7 into this can be written as 2 3 times to the power minus 5. So no doubt in this step. Now we will write it as 3 to the power of minus 5 into 2 to the power of
2 to
minus
the power
5
minus
into
5.
5 to the power of
5 to
minus
the
5 into 5 cube divided
yes,
by
sir.
5 to the power
5
minus
to the power
7
minus 7.
into 2 to the
2 to the
power
power
of
minus 5.
minus 5 into 3 to the power of minus 5. What we do now is we will
Sir,
take
we can cancel.
3 to the power of
3 to
5
the power
one
0.
side. If you observe
3 to the
this,
power 0.
they are the same. Since they are
Yes,
the
sir.
same, it is like cancelling the r 3 to the power of
Yes, sir.
minus 5 plus 5, which will be 3 to the power of 0, which is 1. So it is as good as
1 sir.
cancelling that. If you observe,
Yes
there
sir.
is one more term which is same like this. These are the two. This also can be cancelled out. Now
Yes sir.
what we get is 5 to the power minus 5
Into
plus
5 to the power
3.
3.
Now I am adding this. It is like a to
Yes
the
sir.
So
Yes
power
sir.
plus
of
7.
m into a to the power of
Yes sir.
n.
Understood.
There is another in the denominator, so
Plus
this
7.
becomes
5
plus
to the
7.
7 sir.
Yes.
Yes sir.
So we get 5
5
to
to the
the
power
power
5
of
answer.
positive 5.
5 sir. Yes
So
sir.
this answer is correct. Where was your mistake, sir?
Sir, this -7 I took -7 directly up, sir.
Okay. So here
Minus into
while
minus
while
is
taking
a
this,
positive sir.
it has to be plus 7. Right.
Yeah, yes sir. Minus into minus positive.
Yeah, this is pretty simple. Inside from inside one you start solving.
1 to the power
64, sir.
1 to the power
4 to
64.
the power 4.
64 is one answer. 1 to the power
Sir,
1 by
1 by 64.
256.
1 by
1 by
256.
256.
The
sir,
second answer.
64 answer.
1 by 256, sir.
Sir, 1 by
Yes, sir. Let's
256.
64.
see, sir.
256. Sir,
1
1
by
by 256.
256. Many are telling. Let's see. This inside one will be just a square. So 1 by 16 we get. There is no doubt in
Yes sir.
that.
1 by 256 answer.
1 by 16 to the power minus 2. Then to the power minus 1. So this becomes the reciprocal. So 16 square is 256 to the power
256.
minus 1. So we get it as
1 by
1 by
256.
256.
Yes,
Yes sir.
sir.
1 by
1 by 256.
256. 64 cannot be the answer. Okay.
Yes sir.
One more question for this session. By what number should this be multiplied so that the product may be this? So it is like 5 by 3 to the power minus 2 should be multiplied with a number and we get 7 by 3 to the power minus 1. Understood? So find the value of x. So to find the value of x, this can be written as 7 by 3 to the power minus 1 divided by
Divided.
Divided by
5 by 3 to the power minus 2.
-2.
3 by 157.
So x will be, this will be 3 by 7, sir. Into
20.
this will
25.
become
25 by 21.
9 by 25, sir.
25 by 9.
Minus
denominator
sir.
will be
Minus.
9 by 25. So when you reciprocal
Yes
this,
sir.
Yes, sir.
it
Minus
becomes
9
25 by
by
9.
25.
25 by 25.
25 by 21, sir.
25 by
Yes,
63.
sir. 25 by 21.
Oh, we have simplified this. 3 ones are 3 times.
Yes, sir.
So 25 by 21. Correct?
21, sir.
21 sir.
Yes, sir. So we
25
shall,
sir. It is not.
Yes, sir.
yeah, 25 by
Yes, sir.
21. We shall
Yes sir.
continue with the remaining question in the third period.
Third period sir.
Okay,
Yes sir.
we'll complete this
Yes,
chapter
sir.
today.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you show
Yes.
a syllabus slide, sir?